So in this section, we're going to look at how to define a range. So we saw in the last section, if you want your range to start from 0, you don't need to worry about defining a start point, you just define an end point. However, we can also pick the start point as well. So if you want to list a range from, let's go 2 to 5, 2, 5. So that will start at 2 and it will end 1 before 5. We don't include that last one in Python. So if you wanted to get a list of numbers from 1 to 10, we'd ask it for 1 to 11, and that will give us 1 to 10. You can also do a list where you don't include every number. So this is great if we're doing for loop or something where you want to iterate through every number and just increase by 1 each time. But sometimes you maybe want to have every other number, for example, and you can do that with range as well. So we're going to list our range. Let's start at 1. Let's finish at 10. We need number 11 there. And let's do every other number. So that's number 2. So we're going to just skip every other one. And you can see that we, in this case, we lose our even numbers because we're skipping alternate numbers. And you can do this every 3, every 5, every 10, you know, any kind of variation that you might want to do. So let's just look at taking every 5th number. That just gives you 1 and 6 in this occasion. Okay, so that's all we're going to cover about ranges. They're quite straightforward, but they are incredibly useful later on. So move on to the next video, get comfortable with creating a range. We're going to be using them again later on.